Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking your system and the app where you'll type Roman numerals. This saves time and avoids surprises. Once the app is open, launch the character map or emoji and symbols utility so you can pick glyphs quickly. If you prefer keystrokes, open numlock and note the alt code or input method for your platform. Do this now. It sets you up to type instantly and ensures the characters you choose display correctly. Now you actually type Roman numerals. On Windows, hold Alt and enter the numeric code on the keypad. This produces a stable Unicode glyph. On Mac OS, use Option or Option plus Shift sequences or pick characters from the emoji and symbols viewer for consistency. In Word, insert symbols directly or create auto-correct entries so typing I auto-replaces. Once done, make sure to test a few. Finish by applying consistent formatting. Choose a single font family so Roman numerals look uniform and scale size or style to match surrounding text. Create shortcuts, auto text, or a small template to speed future entries. If characters appear as boxes or question marks, that indicates a font or encoding problem. Switch to a Unicode complete font or copy the numeral from character map. If that still fails, paste as an image or use plain Latin letters as a fallback. This single tip solves most display errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.